From the days of the barter system, where trade meant exchanging goods, to the Industrial Revolution, where machines transformed the way we worked, and now, in the age of artificial intelligence and automation, the future belongs to those who are skilled, smart, and tech-ready. And that's exactly where TechCadd comes in. TechCadd is Punjab's leading IT institute, trusted by thousands of students across Jalandhar, Hoshiarpur, Phagwara, Ludhiana, and Chandigarh. We specialize in future-ready IT and software training that bridges the gap between classroom knowledge and corporate requirements. Whether it's web development, data science, AI, cybersecurity, machine learning, ethical hacking, or CAD designing, TechCadd equips the students with skills that the companies are hiring for. We have taken the initiative to upskill the youth of Punjab, empowering them with hands-on, practical training and real-world exposure. Our expert faculty, industry-standard infrastructure, and globally recognized certifications are turning learners into leaders. TechCadd, where Punjab Upskills, where your tech journey begins.